Hey guys, welcome to today's video, which is a room tour of a 2-bedroom Disney Vacation Club villa at Saratoga Springs. As soon as you walk in, you'll find this foyer, and as you can see, we fully moved in and have our bags here already. To our right, we have our second bedroom, but we'll get to that a little later. Here we have a small dining room area or nook by the living room and kitchen. The kitchen comes very well stocked, minus the snacks and water that we brought ourselves. You have a regular trash can, and right in here you will find the recycling trash can included, but not the water. You also get a sponge, cloth, and machine washing detergent for the dishwasher that is over to the right. There's also dish soap in case you want to wash the dishes yourself. You'll also find coffee, tea, sugar, and cream included, as well as cups, an ice bucket, and a coffee machine. Okay, now all of the snacks that you see here are not included, but you do get silverware and a lot of cooking utensils and supplies that I think are pretty straightforward, so I'll let you guys enjoy that. Once again, things stored in the fridge are not included. Ooh, this is something somewhat relatively new, which is Disney's own take on Amazon Alexa, where you can ask it a couple of things and get a response. And here's an example of things you could ask. You might have guessed it, but this cutie patootie is also not included in the room, but you do get this cool Disney 100-year book, and underneath said book, you'll find this table with some extra sheets since there are 2 hidden extra beds in this area. The first hidden bed in this area is the Murphy bed where the sofa is, and on the sides you'll find plenty of charging sockets and options to plug and charge. To set this Queen Murphy bed, you just have to pull down on this and the bed will lower from the wall. Here is a sneak peek of what it looked like after we slept on it. A second hidden bed is in this cabinet, which is another Murphy bed that can be lowered down. Even though it's a much smaller bed, I believe it is a twin size. Here's the view from our balcony. You can't tell very well, but it is right next to the lobby. So we lucked out on location because the resort is humongous, so they have multiple bus stops inside of the resort to get to places. And since we were by the lobby, it meant that we were closest to the main bus stop as well as the restaurants and gym. On the way to the first bedroom and by the dining room nook, you'll find a washer and dryer with a laundry basket, laundry detergent, and a broom. And we have the first bedroom, which is also pretty self-explanatory, so I'll just let you enjoy in peace. Now back to where we started. This is the second bedroom, which has 2 double beds, its own bathroom with a double sink, and 2 large closets with extra pillows and blankets. And that's it for the room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!